such a hot mess. You would think I have never made soap before. Swirl, if it'll let me. Yeah. All right. Ooh. Ooh. Hey. It thickened up a little more than I wanted it to. That's gonna fall. That's okay. That is okay. This will be gorgeous, even though the white is a little more runny than the brown, because I don't think this fragrance oil accelerates, but it's sure acting like it is. Might accelerate a little. Or I blended it too much. You know, combination of the two. That's all right. It's a coffee soap, and damn if it don't look like it. Yeah. It's going to be gorgeous, though. And I can't wait to use it, because I just realized I have no more coffee soap of my own soap to use. And as much as I love coffee, Lord knows I should be keeping this, you know, on rotation. Or, you know, in stock. That's it. Keep it in stock. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. Do, do, do. Do, do. This is going to be longer than I wanted it to. I'm going to end up fast forwarding it. And this is going to sound like a chipmunk. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Hey. I should have just poured it all in there. This is going to have some texture on the top, which I love. Love the texture. We love the texture. Yes, we do. Forget, as I'm waiting for my project to be graded, and get back to my soapy making. Make something. Even though it's looking like I've never made it. Although, it also because I did soap very, very hot. Because I'm using palm kernel oil. And that soap can give you a false trace and what's the word I'm looking for? Separate. Like a mother. So, yeah, we're just going to plop this stuff in here. It's still soft. It's still pliable. this out. Scrape all this out. Yes, this is going to be an accelerated video. Or unaccelerate it and I'll just put it on my YouTube. I really need to start using that thing. Let me flip you around. Yeah. Ah. Alright, that's enough of that. Let me get all of this out. Oh yeah, I'm at 6 minutes. 6 minutes, Dougie Fresh and No Show. All out. All out. Come on, get out. Get out this container. Escape, escape. I should have paused you, the video, but I don't feel like stopping to do so. Ah. See, when I'm recording, I always feel like I need to be saying something. I don't want to say anything. I just want to make crazy noises. That's what I want to do. I just want to make crazy noises. Look at this. This is a mess. That's all right. Yeah, okay. Again, the trick is not to over swirl. And this needs the sides cleaned off. Yeah. Now I gotta re-swirl. I need to swirl because, yeah. Okay. All right. This is it. Oh, God, it smells so good. It smells so good. Scented with Iced Mocha Latte by Nature's Garden. Wonderful coffee scent. Yes. I am not going to put glitter on this. Because, I don't know, this coffee soap does not call for glitter. I don't sparkle my coffee, so I'm not going to sparkle this. Ooh, the edges are a hot mess. They are a hot mess. Ooh, it's even worse from this end. Now when I push it down, it's going to mess up the swirl on the edges. But that's alright. It is what it is. You know, I really hate that saying, but I say it like 50 times a day myself. I need to stop this video before I run out of space. God, 10 minutes. Sheesh. I don't even have to cut. Yeah, we're going to speed this up a little somewhere in the editing. All right, that's it. I'm done. I am actually going to pop this. See if it's going to, yeah, once I put that top on. Yeah, buddy. Boom.